Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home.
Today we have a free Zippo lighter from Marlboro that I received in the mail a couple of days ago. I'm trying to recall, I think it was 2 or 3 weekends back now, whenever it was National Day of the Cowboy. I think that sounds right. It was on a Saturday. I had gotten text messages during the week about them giving away a lighter on the weekend. I'd kind of forgotten about it. And then I saw something in one of the Zippo Facebook group, Zippo Addicts or one of those, where there was a bunch of confusion. Nobody could figure out how to get on the website and claim this free Zippo. Well, it was kind of confusing to me at first too, and I ended up having to go back to the original text and follow that link. I couldn't just log into my account. So I don't know if they'll do this sort of thing again. The way that it worked, there was a button that said claim your lighter, and I clicked on that button, but then it went away. There were no orders ever posted showing that it had shipped or anything like that. So it was a little bit different, a little bit outside their normal way of distributing rewards. But as I said, this wasn't necessarily a reward. This was just a free lighter that Marlboro advertised for the National Day of the Cowboy.
The 3 lighters that it showed on the graphic that popped up there on the screen, which there wasn't a way to choose or anything like that, it showed the Majestic View, which you've seen this video that we did for that lighter a few months back. It's a beautiful lighter, and of the 3, it was my favorite. It also showed the, for those with grit, the orange bandana design, and then I can't remember which of the other 2, but of the 3, I was certainly hoping to get another of the Mount Zion National Park version 2 or Majestic Views, whatever you would call it. When it arrived in the mail, there was definitely some damage to the box. It also did not arrive with the normal rewards card that's usually in the bubble mailer. But you could see there, but that still won't matter. I can still use the box for display in my rotating Zippo display in there. So that will be just great because, well, there you see what lighter they sent me for free. The Virgin River Zion version 2. Really cool design. I told you guys when I did the video for the original lighter that I would love to have another one because I would like to use it. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and pull this out of here. Peel off our orange sticker. Before I get that all the way off, I'm going to go ahead, get my little Ziploc bag ready. Since we're going to be using it, we will be leaving the flint in this lighter. Doesn't seem like it really left a film or anything. I'll go ahead and mark that with a Sharpie later so I know which one it is. That's how I'm currently telling which lighter the box belongs to. It's because the lids are all the same. So anyway, trying to keep them separated. The insert is marked E of 2022. And the case is marked D 2022. Beautiful lighter, very stiff hinge. I think some of the reason of that is because of the 540 process. However, they apply the image to the lighter. There definitely appears to be some overspray or overcoating or overwrap, whatever it is. Get it fueled up. Actually over full. I'm sure none of you ever do that. It's regular occurrence for me. So I'll let this dry out here for a moment and we'll see. Got our wick sit there about in the center where we want it. Now my plan is to carry this just like I would any other lighter, but I'm not going to carry it along with keys or another lighter. I'm definitely going to try to baby it as far as what I carry it with, but I'm going to use it just like I do any of them, and we'll see how durable the finish is and how well the image holds up. This is awesome. This is a great lighter, and I'm thrilled to be able to put this in my pocket, hopefully usually my shirt pocket. There's probably the least amount of danger there. Say hello to my new everyday carry lighter.
Until next time.